Hello guys, once again welcome back to my another YouTube video. So today it's Sunday, so I'm along with my friend. We are planning to visit one particular place. I'm not sure about the place name, so I'll just show you once I reach there. So let's go. Finally we have started our journey from our village, that is Temgasom village, which is a tiny village I should say, and it's near Litan. Maybe many of you might have heard about Litan, which is famous for kapok and wating. I don't know in English how to say, so sorry about that. And our village is near Imphal Tulku, which is in the center. As I mentioned, it's near Litan village. If any one of you planning to visit Litan village or our village, I'm always welcome to help you guys, and I'll be sharing my WhatsApp number in the description. You are most welcome to WhatsApp me, or you can also call me there. I'm ready to help if you guys are planning to come for picnic or whatever, so I'm always there. Let's continue with our journey, guys. So finally we have reached the spot. I don't know the exact place name, still I'm confused about it, but it's near Yangpokpi. It's near Yangpokpi, I guess. So this is the place. Let's get inside and see how is the place here. The place is lovely. As you can see, a lot of trees are planted over here, and it's just like a park, maybe not exactly. So here comes my friend. So maybe we'll spend some little time here, and we'll try to go back early back home. And it's also rainy out here, so I'm not sure about our stay, how long we are going to stay here. The place is really lovely, peace. People can come and do recreation and refresh their mind too. Since it's rainy, so maybe because of that no one has come here to visit. Maybe if the weather is good, I guess a lot of people will come here for sure. And indeed it's a peaceful place where you can come along with your friends, families, and spend some time. So let's see what we are going to do today. So I'll keep updating. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video and supporting my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.